What's up, guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about these Windex window cleaners. I absolutely love these things. I live and work out of my van full time, which means I'm constantly on the road and driving, and the inside of the window absolutely gets hideously gross. And these things take care of it every time. It is so nice. They just come out in these little kind of one-off sheets, and I find that one of these is really good for about half the windshield. As you can imagine, in a big van, it's kind of a bigger windshield, but this is what you get, and I'll do about half of it. Just kind of nice concentric circles, and just make sure you get every part that's dirty nice and clean, and then you're good to go. You don't have any kind of streaking or anything with this, so that is really nice. But like I said, it's one of those products I take with me every time I hit the road and absolutely love it. So if you're looking for something to keep the inside of your windshield clean, I would highly recommend this. It does not get better than this.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.